Welcome to the exciting world of creative and unique logo design. A logo is the calling card of any brand, its face and voice. A logo can imprint itself in memory within mere seconds, making the brand recognizable, like a visual identity that conceals a multitude of ideas and messages. And for me, the most crucial tool in logo design is the use of the golden ratio. I always strive to adhere to this principle, this philosophy. I aim to embed images and meanings into my logos that aren't superficial but sadly allude to them. And for maintaining the right forms and proportions, I utilize a modular grid and the golden ratio. Today, I'll tell you about one of such logos where I applied the golden ratio. Some time ago, I created a logo for a company called Joydis, specializing in manufacturing technical equipment of rehabilitation for children. It's a new brand, and their main goal is to produce high-quality products that match competitors but are sold at an affordable price. I gladly took on this project. The core idea of the logo is to depict care, reliability, movement, and joy. Based on these associations, I started creating a mood board. Before diving into further work on the logo, let me explain in more detail what the golden ratio is. The golden ratio is a mathematical relationship often found in the world around us, such as in architecture, painting, and modern design. Using the golden ratio allows you to create an image that is naturally aesthetically pleasing and attractive to the eye. The golden ratio is derived from the Fibonacci sequence, a sequence of numbers named after the Italian mathematician Fibonacci. The essence of the Fibonacci sequence lies in placing the numbers 0 and 1 in a row, and then adding them. This results in the digit 1. We then place this number further in the sequence alongside our initial numbers 0 and 1. Next, we sum up the neighboring numbers, 1 plus 1. As a result, we get the digit 2. We place the digit 2 in the sequence with the other numbers. Now, sum up 1 and 2, resulting in the digit 3. We also place in the digit 3 in the sequence with the other numbers. Then we sum up 2 and 3, resulting in the digit 5. And we place it in the sequence with the other numbers as well. If we continue to sum up the two neighboring numbers, we'll end up with an infinite sequence like this. This sequence of numbers is called the Fibonacci numbers. In these numbers, there's an interesting property. If you divide any number starting from 5 by the previous number, you'll get approximately 1 6/10. After the 13th number, this division will consistently yield around 1/618 thousandths. This number is called the golden number. It forms the proportion known as the golden ratio. For visualization, Fibonacci numbers can be represented as squares with sides of 1 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. Placing these squares so that each successive one touches the previous ones results in the golden ratio diagram. And if I draw a spiral to represent the interaction between these squares, it becomes the golden spiral. The golden spiral is considered a natural phenomenon and is often found in the world around us and in nature, like seashells. snail shells, various plants, and natural phenomena. The golden ratio is applied in design to achieve aesthetics. This ratio creates a sense of natural beauty, harmony, and proportion. Golden ratio commonly used in typesetting text arrays. For example, if the main text is 15 pixels in size, multiplying it by 1 and 6/10 yields 24 pixels. This implies that the natural balance between the main text and the headline would be achieved if the headline is at 24 pixels tall. Logos of popular brands like Twitter, Pepsi, and Apple are greatly influenced by golden ratio. Apple's affinity for the golden ratio is well known among their fans and in the design world. Even the iCloud logo incorporates the golden ratio. I frequently use the golden ratio in logo development. It can involve using circles with diameters in a specific sequence or constructing the logo within the overall proportion of the golden ratio. Now that you understand the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers, I can continue and start sketching the Joydist logo. During the Moodboard creation, I realized that the key associations for the logo would revolve around the brand's initials, J and D. Also, the heart and arrow imagery symbolizing care, joy, reliability, and movement. The logo should be simple, with a clear and memorable image. Great sketches! Time for a coffee break. While working on this logo, I will use a modular grid and the proportion of the golden ratio. This will help me create an aesthetically pleasing logo. I calculated all the circle diameters using the golden number. The logo resembles the shape of a heart and an arrow. I used shades of blue as the primary colors. It's an excellent logo. I am pleased with the outcome, and the golden ratio helped maintain pleasing proportions that are easy on the eyes. By the way, if you need a logo or a set of icons, you can totally order them from me. I'm always open to new projects. You'll find the contact form in the description box. For a more detailed look at this case, you can check it out on Behance through the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.